I was getting honks last time. Before I got this way one. Before I busted out the camera. To try to get a good video. But anymore, people are not fucking honking. Excuse my language. But people are not freaking honking. We gotta get a honk here, you guys. Damn. Excuse my language again. We need to get one honk. Yeah! Woo! Woo! I love that. That's the sound I wanted to hear. Freaking mosquitoes, I swear. I hate mosquitoes. Stupid skeeters. No wonder why these mosquitoes are out still. Ah! My sign's getting damaged. Been getting damaged for the last few minutes from the wind. Maybe I should do something like every time they honk. The car guy too, thanks for giving me this inspiration to do this. I wanted to do this for a while as myself. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I can't believe the car guy, Chevy Impala, I can't believe y'all got me to do this. Thanks for having me do this. Yes! What was that? What was that? Bro, like, what was that? Like, seriously. I'm not even kidding. Did you hear the way that car honked? We got dogs in there barking. Bro, we got dogs barking in there. Yo! Yo! Yes! Dogs know the drill. Your car sounds like crap. That guy's car sounds like crap.